not real. This is all for holograms, it's all fake.
Wait. Before we start, we're shouting out Kevin. He came here all the way from Puerto Rico just to see.
Thank you so much.
Which is insane, because we are very mid. That's crazy.
And thank you to Shoreline.
Traveled Award.
Thank you for the Shoreline for putting this on, because this is awesome. This is so cool. Give it up for them. Yeah.
Our name is Caliway. We have merch over there by the stuff that's over there.
Right across from the main stage, you'll see our tent, yes. Come say hi.
This song's about going snowboarding.
And all you'll have at the end of the day is my frozen onto a hole.